Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. Becky is our host for the month of December. Our challenge for the month of December from Becky is to either use Christmas or winter products or scrapbook winter or Christmas photographs or use a paper pad. I chose to use a paper pad from the Vicky Booten Wildflower and Honey and all the products that I have on hand from that collection. Now let's see what I have selected from that collection for layout number 1. So I've pulled out the remainder of my ephemera. I have a photograph of my husband and I have the 6x8 paper pad, and then I pulled out the stickers, the chipboard pieces, and some word phrases, and then the first two 12x12 sheets of paper in the paper pad. And of course, the first one is probably the most difficult one to work with, and that's when you have, pre-printed clusters on your 12x12 paper, and in this instance is those flowers. And I do trim that paper down 1/4 of an inch on two sides and back it on the 12x12 beautiful like green emerald paper. I love it. Then I go through the 6x8 paper pad and select 3 or 4. I think I select 4, but only use 3 papers from the 6x8 paper pad. So I'll back my photograph against that muted, soft tone black and off-white striped paper. Then I'll mat it against that diagonal striped paper with it represents all the colors in the Wildflower and Honey collection. Then I will take that neutral paper that has word phrases. It's like that taupe color with the off-white letters, and it just says like, hey, honey. Let's see, what else is on there? Oh, I can't remember. As you're watching me trim, let me see if I can find that paper on a second sheet. It says, you make me smile. Hey, honey, you make me smile. I keep saying that over and over on that pre-printed paper. So before I forget it, while you watch me map my photographs and lay down my paper layers on the background of my 12x12 pre-printed flower clusters, I have the links to Becky and Kathy's channel listed below in the description box, along with the link to our Facebook group site. If you would like to play along, snap a photograph of your kit for the month of December, upload it to the album, and 3 layouts that you have created in the month of December. And each one of those will give you an entry to possibly win a gift certificate from Becky. She may do a curated kit, but most of the time she gives away a gift certificate. All right, back to my layout. As you can see, I started a cluster in the upper right-hand corner using ephemera. It says my love and enjoy today. Now I'm working on the cluster in the lower right-hand corner of my photograph, or I was. Now I'm adding this bee sticker up there at the top. And of course, with my clusters, I like to keep it in odds. And so I've using or grab the sticker that says favorite moment. And then I see the arrow that says this, and then the ephemera that says for you in black and white. Now back to my sticker sheet. We have this sticker of a scallop border that is black with gold inlay, and I tuck that over there on the right hand side underneath the one paper layer. Then let's see, what do I do next? I go back to my ephemera of flowers. Not that I have enough flowers on this layout, but we're going to add some more. And so you watch me go through and decide if I'm going to add succulent leaves or some flowers. And I end up choosing this one of a bouquet of flowers in a vase, and I do tuck it in the same location that you're watching me tuck these succulents. Then I will grab another sticker from the sticker sheet and add, it's like a tab, and it says on this day, and it will go over on the left hand side. Oh, before that, I remember I grabbed this arrow here, and it has some gold, and I took that under that cluster there on the upper right. And what I'm doing is bringing in the gold from that scallop gold, which ends up getting covered, but enough peeks through that I want to have 3 spots where I have gold on this layout. Then I will get out my medium gloss spray in Gilt from Dina Wakley, and I will add some splatters up there in the upper right hand corner, and then over in the upper or the lower left hand corner, and I'll draw some lines for my journaling. Now the photograph, the memory behind the photograph. So my husband and I, our anniversary is at the end of November, and this is our first anniversary in North Carolina. I actually had only been in North Carolina a week. My husband was already here. He had already secured a job, and we had a lunch date on our anniversary for the first time in North Carolina 5 years ago. So we have just been here 5 years, and that was our first anniversary lunch date in North Carolina. All right. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Play along with our challenge, which has lots of opportunity. If you don't want to document Christmas photographs or winter photographs, then like I said, just pick out a paper pad or a collection that's been sitting around in your scrappy stash that you want to get used up. All right, keep coming back. Give a thumbs up. At the end will be some close-ups, and we will see you next time. Bye. Oh, and hit that notification button on YouTube so you can be notified every time I post, because I just don't post on Mondays. All right, we'll see you later. Bye.